Illegal border crossings pose significant unforeseen dangers for migrants, especially when they place their trust in human smugglers who often prioritize evasion over safety. On January 13, 2025, in Webb County, a smuggler from San Antonio led Texas DPS troopers on a high-speed pursuit along Interstate 35, driving a GMC Sierra displaying improper plates. It was later discovered that the pickup truck was reported stolen out of Austin.
It's going to be in front of the Fuel America. We're getting onto the East Access Road.
Maybe 200 moving lines. There's support meter 20, or there's still 20 catch up.
Vehicle 1050, he is in another vehicle trying to switch lanes. He's going to keep driving.
The reckless driver crashes into another vehicle at high speeds and continues to evade, putting everyone on the road at risk. Miles ahead, troopers position themselves to deploy stop sticks in an attempt to halt the vehicle. The deflation device works, but the driver continues to evade until he loses control and crashes head-on into the highway median.
Vehicle 1050 spinning out.
He then jumps out of the moving pickup and takes off toward the thick brush, prompting a foot pursuit.
Got him?
He now faces multiple charges, including evading arrest, unauthorized use of a motor vehicle, reckless driving, failure to stop and render aid, and 4 counts of smuggling persons.
Good job, man.
The 4 migrants from Mexico being smuggled in the vehicle were safely taken into custody and referred to the U.S. Border Patrol. Want to see more law enforcement in action? Click on any of these videos.
Get down, hands up, get down, all you get down.
They're going up against a constant stream of crime, and it's important that we as citizens understand the tough challenges they face in keeping our community safe. Thank you for watching.